In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force quit on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. When an app freezes and won't close the normal way, force quitting safely shuts it down so you can get back to work without restarting your whole PC. I'll walk you through it clearly, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful cues to know it worked. First, open Task Manager using the quickest and most reliable shortcut. Press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys together. This combination opens Task Manager, even if the frozen app is covering your desktop or ignoring your clicks. Give it a moment to appear. On most systems, it pops up instantly. Next, find the app that isn't responding. In Task Manager, you'll see a list of running apps and background processes. Look under the App section for the program that's stuck. Often, Windows will tag it with a small not responding note beside the name, or you might notice its CPU, memory, or disk usage spiking or sitting at 0. If the list is long, scroll calmly until you spot it. Take a second to be sure you're selecting the right one. Closing the wrong app can cause you to lose unsaved work in that app. Click the app once to highlight it. You'll see it become selected in the list, confirming you're about to act on that specific program. This selection step helps you avoid ending the task for something else by mistake. Now, click End Task in the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window. The moment you do this, Windows will tell the system to terminate that program immediately. Be aware that any unsaved changes in that app will be lost, which is why force quitting is best reserved for when the app truly won't respond to normal closing. Finally, wait a few seconds for the program to fully close. You should see the app's entry disappear from Task Manager, and its window will vanish from your desktop and taskbar. If the system hesitates briefly, that's normal. Give it a moment to finish. Avoid clicking End Task repeatedly. A single click is enough, and piling on extra clicks can slow things down. That's all it takes. Open Task Manager with Control, Shift, and Escape. Find the frozen app, select it, hit End Task, and wait a few seconds. Use this method whenever an app locks up and refuses to close. Once it's gone, you can continue using your PC smoothly and relaunch the app later when you're ready.